guys, this is Raquel with Paints and Glitter, and today I'm coming to you with a special project share that I'm quite excited about. As you all know, there are some really amazing designers out there, and one of them is Nicole Silhouette. If you don't know who she is, you need to get on board. Because thanks to Jenny here on YouTube, who is an amazing person, she mentioned that some of these dies that she got online were from a person that she knew, and I took a peek and I thought, hey, I have some of her dies, and I had no idea that this particular designer was selling through Alina. As it happens, I started clicking and, well, things happened, but the first thing that caught my eye was this die set here, and I will link it below in the video. I saw this and I saw Nicole's video, how she made a mini album, and then I saw another video, and I think it was Scrap Diva 29. She made a baby album, and if you guys know anything about me or my channel, I am absolutely addicted to making mini albums. I love making them. I gift them. I sell them. I'm sorry, I've never actually bought one, but I probably would. In any case, I saw these and I thought immediately I could make an album, and then I saw their project shares and they were albums, and I just fell in love with these dies. And I'm currently awaiting some in the mail from a different company that cost a whole lot more money than what these did. So then I saw Nicole share these dies here. And I got so excited when I saw these, because the first thing that came to mind were my little gorgeous girl stamps. And I immediately set out to get them because I thought those would be the perfect frames for these stamps here, that if you've seen any of my videos, you'll know I absolutely adore these stamps. So quickly, I'm just going to show you what happened once they came in the mail. Because the first thing was that I decided, of course, to make the mini album, but she caught me with this die here too. So look what I did. I actually not only made the mini album, which I'm going to share with you guys, but I then got so inspired that I designed a box to house my mini album. And what I did was, now it's a very simple box, as you can tell. It's a bottom, and then it's two sides, and I tinkered with it. I'm still not done with the complete design of it yet, of course, because this is just my first run through, so you're seeing a raw shape here, if you will. But I'm so excited with the fact that this turned out how I envisioned it in my head, minus a few things, because I'm going to keep going with this. But what happened was that I added this ginormo bow here. Now, mind you, this is a 5-inch mini album, but I really wanted it to be girly, so I did order the this bow here, and I fell in love with this bow. The minute that I saw it, I thought, oh my gosh, it's so stinking cute, and everyone else is hauling it. I am very well aware of that. Here's what happened with these frame dies. So, of course, I fell in love with them, as I said. I wanted to use them with the gorgeous girls like this. But then, of course, when they're the graduated sizes, the next thing that comes to mind is that you can make shakers. Oh my gosh, you can make shakers with all of these. So I combined my love of both, and I made this shaker here for the cover. And I'm aware that some of the bits are, you know, not moving about as much, and that's my own fault. But I'm not at all concerned with it. It's a shaker, it's whimsical, and it's this little stamp here of the little girl, and of course I loaded it up with sequins, but she's thinking about a little bird and flying, and I am a lover of birds. I just I'm so fascinated by them. So that's what I added on the cover of this little mini album. And then Alina sent me as a free gift this die here. So I figured, hey, why not use it? Let me go ahead and add that on top. I love it. It's minute, and I love itty-bitty little things. And then I use another set for this back here. Now, those are two different sets there. And what I did is that I added little Nuvo drops that I just received in the mail to that, just for added texture. But it's very soft because it's in the color Limoncello, which is a nice lemony orange, or yellow, I'm sorry. And then I used another die to appear as if it's holding the ribbon here that I sandwiched between the papers. And let me tell you guys, this came together so easily. This is just my information on the back, and there's that other, this is a tonic die that I added there. And then on the inside I kept it quite simple because it is a very small book, so I didn't add too many frills. I just made it super simple. But I love the papers, of course, and what I did was I just added a little bit of sticky there on these pages, or papers I should say, so that way the recipient can go ahead and move that, add the picture, and then adhere it back on the page. So this is the only sentiment that I added. It says enjoy the little things, which I thought was very befitting of the tiny little album. And then here's the little girls. So I added them only to, I believe it was 6 pages or 6 fronts. And then every single page has the little tag that you can pull out so that you can journal. And it's just little spreads like this. And I've made albums like this before where I've kept them very simple and just let the recipient decide whether they want to use it for pictures or journaling or both, because you could journal on one side and just add one small picture here and then a larger picture back here on both sides. You know, there is some versatility to these little albums, but here they are. And then what I do also when I make an album is I always provide a template. So what I did was that I used one of these little clothespins that I altered with a tiny little bow and then wrote photo template there, so that, you know, you can take that out, use it as your guide, and cut down a larger photo if need be. And there's this page. Here she is. This one with her. She's so whimsical and pretty. And I did color all of these with Nuvo markers and Prismacolor markers just to make it quick and easy. And then at the end I added this little tag. This is from Tonic Studios, which is another company that I love. And it says with love. And I just used Maggie Holmes paper. I cannot recall the name of the collection at this moment, but it's been in my stash here for quite a bit, and if I find it I'll let you know what that is. But it's just these soft pastel colors, of course, and yeah, and then here's again the little box, so the recipient can just place this here. And the reason behind this was that I wanted to make sure that you could put this away without fumbling with that little bow, because it'll get ruined otherwise, and I wanted that to be kind of a bit of a focal point there, if you will. So in any case, I hope that you guys have enjoyed this project. I hope that you can be inspired and be blessed, and thank you, Nicole, for inspiring me. Bye.